up, y'all? This is my skincare routine. Simple, easy, affordable, not that many tools used, none of that extra shit. Like, this is a simple tutorial that you guys can definitely get into. You guys can get some product inspo from. I even have a little DIY moment going on in there. Okay, so yeah, keep on watching. I feel kind of gross right now because usually I wash my face first, get that out the way. That'd be the first thing. This is what you do for a YouTube video. First step to my skin routine is I always like to wash my face. I use the Cetaphil foaming face cleanser, and it's in a travel bottle because I've been like traveling and I haven't bought a new one because it's not done yet, you know what I mean? I usually use either this or I used to use African black soap on my face. But I kind of like to switch it up with my face just so it doesn't get accustomed to one thing. And now rinse. I like to go in with a towelette. It's a Korean exfoliating towel. I started this method about 2 years ago. I actually like it better than just like other face scrubs, even though every now and then I will do a face scrub, but this is my favorite method because it's more natural. I don't have all these chemicals on my face and they're pretty cheap. You can get them on Amazon. All the information is going to be in the bio and on the screen as well. I like the towel to be damp. I don't use it dry. Okay, you should never use your towel dry. I'll just go in gently, not harsh, gently, especially underneath your eyes. That area is so sensitive on your face. Especially this part where my little mustache is, it's the most bumpy, so I like to really go in there. And I do like to switch these out, so they come in like a 6 or 9 pack, so I'll usually switch these out like once a month. And I don't exfoliate my face every day. This is not a daily skin routine. This is like maintenance skin routine. This, you could do it like twice a week if you want for better results, softer skin, or every 2 weeks. So now I'm gonna dermaplan my face, or just shave my face basically. This, you can get this at the beauty supply store. You can get them at probably Dollar Tree. You can get them at CVS, Rite Aid, any of that. This gets rid of all the small little hairs that are on your face. It gets rid of dead skin on your face. I love it. It makes my makeup just go on so much smoother. It makes my skin look glass-like, which I know the girlies love. So this, like, without this, I'm not gonna achieve glass-like skin. Before we do that, I like putting oil on my face. Usually I'll use like a squalane, I don't know how to pronounce it, that type of oil, but today I'm going to be using a hyaluronic acid serum. So this is a moisturizing serum. Actually, I've never tried this brand. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, but I'm mostly just going to use it as an oil for my face so that the razor can glide on and not cut my skin. The key to this is you have to hold your skin taut. If you don't hold your skin taut and it's not oiled up, you can cut yourself, so be very careful with this. Even though these don't cut as easily, still be careful. Ew! Ooh, that looks disgusting. But at least you guys can see that I'm not capping. Like, that's hair and that's skin. Do y'all see the difference on my face right now? My skin is very sensitive and I was a little aggressive in some parts. So like there was a part I definitely cut myself somewhere around here. So my skin is a little sensitive. If your skin is hypersensitive and like you get really red and like stuff like that, you get little small cuts, you can use the aloe vera gel on your face. My face already feels so much better. It looks so much better. You see how my skin is glowing? Oh girl, I haven't seen my skin glow in a minute like that. I like to just pat dry my face. I don't want to like rub my face aggressively, abrasively, take out the moisture. No, just pat dry. If I had a paper towel, I would use that because I feel like it's more sanitary than my towel, because towels are picking up too much stuff in there. But I don't have a paper towel right now, so I'm not gonna use paper towel right now. I'm gonna put just a drop of the oil I had on before, just a little bit, but you can add more. Ooh, my skin is really dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, softly, gently. Remember to bring everything down to your neck. So I finally got this in the mail. This is the Advanced Nail Mucin Powder Essence. So this is basically like snail cum. Yep, that's what I'm calling it. It's their secretion. I hate when boxes don't want to open properly for me. This is fun. It's so like slimy. Ah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it's so soft. Anything that you apply to your skin after you shave it, it's going to burn a little bit. And it doesn't have a smell. I definitely used too much because I was a little too excited about that, but you're supposed to just pat it in your skin so it can really get absorbed in there. You're supposed to use a small amount, but you know, we're extra. And then after you apply that, you're supposed to apply the moisturizer, which I don't have their moisturizer, but I'm going to be adding on my own moisturizer, of course. How did I forget this step? Before we add moisturizer to my face, I'm gonna let this sink in, especially because I added a little bit too much. I added a little bit more than they recommended. I'm going to be doing a little lip scrub. Usually I'll do this right after I exfoliate. I don't know why, it just crossed my mind. If you don't have a lip scrub, I suggest you get one because they're amazing. But if you don't want to spend the bucks, I'm gonna show you how to do it at home with 4 simple ingredients. I'm missing one of the ingredients, but it's not the end of the world. A little dish, white sugar refined. The sugar basically acts as the exfoliant. Then we're gonna add some honey. A good liberal amount. So oh, I just spilled some on my thigh. And then this is where you would add some lemon, just a few drops. This isn't lemon juice. This is not lemonade. This is a lip scrub. It has to be thick and grainy still. I'm gonna take some coconut oil. And thankfully, this coconut oil, we left it room temperature and it's really hot in this house. So just a couple drops. Because then if not, it's not gonna scrub because it's gonna be not thick. You want it to be thick. Okay. Oh, too much. Okay, so now you would take like a plastic knife, plastic spoon, whatever, to mix it up. I'm gonna use my handy dandy finger. If y'all can't tell, a lot of people use a lot of stuff on their face. A lot of stuff, like the brushes and the rocks. Now I don't do that. I don't think it's a problem to use that stuff, but when you do use like those like face cleaning brushes, those like electric ones, they are good because they get deeper into your skin, so I'll give you that. But they can also hold in moisture, they can hold in bacteria a lot easier, so just be careful of that. That's why I like just using my hands. Even when you have oil droppers, don't touch the dropper to your face because then you're gonna get bacteria from the dropper. I don't know if you know how bacteria works, but it goes in crevices. We're just gonna take all of that and we're gonna mix it. It should be like squishy. the best part for me is that I can eat it afterwards. Okay, I love that I can eat it afterwards. Pause. Damn, that sounded. My skin has absorbed most of the mucin. Okay, and my lips is looking scrumptious. My lips are looking, I want to kiss them. Okay, I feel, you see what good skincare do. You see what skincare do for you. I wasn't glowing like this like 30 minutes ago. I wasn't smiling like this. I wasn't feeling good like this. I feel clean, I feel refreshed, I feel brand new. I feel like a snake that just shut off a layer. Okay, I'm done. Now we just take handy dandy Vaseline or Blistex or any lip oil. If you have a lip oil, that's really good for your lips as well. Another thing that you can do if you don't want to do a lip scrub, you can take your toothbrush and you can like brush your lips with that as well. Some people do that while they brush their teeth. I do that sometimes, and I brush my teeth too. Now I just spray my face with some toner. So this was actually from my brand, from my skincare company that I don't have anymore. I like to shake it up sometimes, but any toner, any face spray. Oh, that feels so good. That feels so refreshing. And now whenever that dries up, I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer on my skin. This company also, they have a moisturizer with mucin power essence. It's an actual cream that this kind of goes hand in hand with. I didn't know that when I bought this one, but I am thinking of buying it. I'm just gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna use a good amount today because I did a lot of shit to my face. Remember to bring it down to your neck. You're gonna have beautiful looking skin, and then your neck is gonna be wrinkly. And this is also when I would go in with like a little eye cream right in the bottom parts of my eyelids, but I actually ran out of that. I have to buy one, so I'm not using it this time. This bottom part of your eyes is so sensitive. That's why I barely touch it. When I touch it, I touch it so softly. Some people also like to do face massages, so where you do like this. That's it for my skincare routine. It'll take me about like 30 minutes just because of like the face shaving and exfoliation part of it. But yeah, I do this once a week or once every 2 weeks whenever I get the chance, and I love it. Like, I feel so good right now. My skin feels so refreshed. I hope you guys enjoy my little tips. It's pretty simple, pretty affordable, to be honest. I'm gonna link everything down below. It's on my Amazon storefront because you can get most of this on Amazon. You can also get most of these Walmart, Target, and probably the beauty supply store. No, not the beauty supply, like CVS, like maybe like a pharmacy. I don't know if you'll find everything at a pharmacy, but most of these should be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you did. See you guys next time. Oh, and make sure to click the subscribe button, so you know the next time that I post a new video. And if you have any suggestion on a video that you want to see, also let me know down in the comments below, because I make these videos for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This takes time out of my day. This is for you. This ain't really for me. I mean, I enjoy it, but you know what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Bye.